Hey, man, here we go, back at it again. I'm gonna make this video here, man, for beginners and make it for people that have been doing it a while. I'm gonna take my time, do it slow, let's get to it. All right. This here is your, hold on, this is your reed switch. This is a 36 volt series. This is your 4-dimmer board. These are your micro switches. This is your solenoid. The solenoid always has the main wire coming off the main positive to the solenoid, and this is your controller, the brains of the operation. Now, on your batteries, you'll see this battery wire is connected to this battery wire. Everyone's connected in series. All right. Well, if anybody tells you your mains are going to be the wires where they're not connected to the next battery. All right. First thing we're going to do, put your voltmeter on 20 volts. Actually, we're going on 200 volts DC. Now, let me start by saying this. This right here, man, unacceptable. All right. All you got to do is take your water hose, spray it from the passenger side to the driver's side once a month to clean this off. Any corrosion, unacceptable, man. You got to do better than this. Take care of it, clean it off. Think about it, man. If you had a cup that was that dirty, when you drink out of, how would the cup taste? Like crap. Same thing with batteries. It runs like crap when it ain't clean. You have to clean it, man. All right, what we're gonna do now, put your voltmeter on volts DC. That's V with a straight line. All right. We're gonna test battery voltage. Black lead on the main negative here. Red lead on the positive here, keys on. I'm gonna hit the gas. And you can see it drop down to 29 volts. Just flip it over and do it again. Yeah, all right. Hit the gas, drop down to 30 volts. That means this car needs to be charged. All right, it should hold about 33, 34. But what we're going to do here now, we're going to put the black lead on the main negative. Put it in there. All right, inside the wire, got voltage, yep. Now, first thing we're going to do is test your reed switch here. The reed switch goes from here. Actually, his reed switch is already bypassed, so we're going to do away with it. Now, when I say bypass, look here, Travis. Now, when I say bypass, I mean because the reed switch should go to right here. All right, should go to this micro switch right here, but he's got a bypass here straight to the main positive. I recommend if you got the series cart, do this. Do away with that reed switch, bypass it, all right? So we're gonna check battery voltage here. I'm gonna put it right here so you can see everything at one time. Better? Yeah. All right. We have battery voltage. All right, when you put it in forward, so I'm gonna take it and put it in forward, voltage carries over from this micro switch to this micro switch. So you got battery voltage and offset when you put it in reverse. In neutral, you have nothing. Now going to reverse, you have battery voltage. All right, so that tells me this switch is good. Now I'm going back to forward. If you have voltage here and you have no voltage here, then that means the micro switch is bad. If you have no voltage here, check your reed switch, all right? And then from there, it goes, which is blue wire here. Blue wire goes to the key switch. Let me find it. And it comes back green from the key switch. Where's the green wire? Down there hiding somewhere. Everything's damn dirty. Right here it is. Let me get some kind of zip tie with it. You think the batteries are dirty?
This car needs help.
I mean, you got to take care of it, man. It don't take you but a second to maintain it. A second to take care of it. All right, now right here you go. Look here, Travis. Now I got the green wire here. You can see here, this is the green wire. This is your return from the key switch. This is what feeds the micro switch in the floorboard. We'll get that to that in a minute. All right, remember the blue wire here leaves the micro switch and goes to the key switch. So what we're going to do is key off, in forward, no voltage. When you turn the key on, what's over there? Let's see. Lost battery voltage somewhere. Must got back connection here on the battery. There we go. All right, had a back connection. All right, the blue wire leaves here, go to the key switch. You have battery voltage. When I turn the key off, voltage goes away. When you're going to see a little bit, man, but just modify it down. Let's see. Like that, and you won't ignore the 0.7, man. That's just static voltage. Ignore that. When you turn the key back on, you'll see voltage goes up 36. If you turn the key on and voltage doesn't go up, take your key switch out to make sure you're getting voltage from the blue wire to it. And if you are, nothing's coming back here, replace the key switch. So what I'm gonna do now, plug it back in, plug the two greens back in together. You see light green, kind of a dark green. Then go to the micro switch in the floorboard. All right, right here, this is your micro switch. Excuse me. Yep, green, go to the micro switch in the floorboard, and then it comes back on the red wire. All right, you see you got your 4-pin plug there, black, white, green, and red. I got it inside the red wire. When you hit the gas, in forward, key on, so you got battery voltage. All right, if you don't have battery voltage here, but you have battery voltage on the green wire that feeds it. See it? You have battery voltage there. If you have battery voltage there, but have nothing on the red wire when you hit the gas, you replace the micro switch in the floorboard. And another way you can test the micro switch in the floorboard is just by taking the red lead of your meter, check voltage, put it right here. Taking the red lead of your meter, just putting on the red wire. The red wire on the solenoid, small post. Then straight off the micro switch in the floor. Hit the gas, have battery voltage. I tell you, micro switch is good. All right. Now this here, but then we're gonna keep going. Then we'll go back to that. All right. Now up here, now the red wire leaves here, goes to the controller. So when you hit the gas, go, Travis. So when you hit the gas, testing the red wire, you're gonna have battery voltage. Now, on the black wire here, on the 5-pin plug, this is your ETS wire. So what's that going to do is this is going to be the output for the control for the ETS in the floorboard. When you hit the gas, voltage should show 14 volts. All right. Now, if you don't show 14 volts there, but you show voltage on the red wire going in, replace controller. That's very rare, but replace controller. Now on your white wire, which is your return from the ETS, it should show 0 to 1.5 at full pedal. Let's see. See, full pedal 1.5, 1.7. That means the ETS is good. If you have 14 volts on the black wire, if you have 14 volts on this wire, the black one here, but no voltage on the white wire, replace the ETS. Now, and after you have all that, if the car don't run, I'm gonna show you what to do. If you do all that, solenoid clicks, car don't run, you put your voltmeter like this. black lead on M negative, red lead on B plus on the controller. And then you want to hit the gas. You can see you have battery voltage there. If you have no battery voltage and everything else checks good, you replace controller. If you have battery voltage there and the car don't run, then it could be your forward and reverse board or your motor. But always just do away with this wire here. Just take it and unplug it. That's just half speed in reverse, so you run half speed.